Good afternoon, everybody. These are the trades. I'm going to go ahead and close this one down, by the way. But yeah, we're up a little bit. Started at 200, 250. We're at 850, 1,000. Roughly four times, a little over. All right, now where we at? What's up, Tuxie? There we go. We had doing the reverse stuff going. It was really nice. Silly. Chivardo, where do you go? There you go. All right. So you go. Baby, why don't you go to Mexico? No, we can did that already. Took published. Boy, I gotta check Andre's now. Crypto, we did that. Good afternoon. Did all that for her, done that. CPI tomorrow, that's easy. No members dare ask me any questions. Yeah, we got that. All right, here we go. I hope you guys participate today. All right, what do we got going on? Is anyone here? Oh, 13 of you. Oh, shoot, I haven't even set it up yet. Shit. Hold on 1 second. 1 second. Montego, where do we go? What's up, Tux? Da 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 da. Montego, we go. Good morning. Not quite what our thing is supposed to say. And I covered up the wrong one. Son of a beeswax. Hold on. Buy, stop, or something. I don't know. Oh, sell it in 5 seconds, but that's just setting up another buy. We've been going up all day. Da, 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 da. Some guy asked a really good question in email. I think I'm going to get to that today. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. All right, getting the YouTube channel set up. It'll be done in just a second. Da, 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 da. Montego, where are we go? Heading to St. Thomas, and we're already married. There we go. All right. Buy stop. 5 second. I already did it. Jeez. Yeah, it's just going to go up. That's all. Oh, where are we at? Good afternoon, Kim the Candle Envy Lady. Of course, you get the thing, by the way. Good morning, Dun Peel. Long time no see. What's up, Kim? What's up, Arginus Luna? What's up, Glow? Mike Glowinski. Blessed afternoon to you, Mischief Maker. What's up, Ordy Yoskrid? What's up, buddy? What's up, Nelson? And what's up? What an amazing afternoon. Amen to that, Larry. All right. Oh, man. Let's see. Is that the Kokomo song you're trying to get out? It is, Ken. failing miserably because I cannot sing and I cannot spell. But I happen to be an okay trader. Doubling a $250 account in 4 days is pretty good.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Montego, baby, how do we go? Actually, yeah, that's the cooking song, but it's from Kermit the Frog. It's not easy being green. I had girls that age, well, children that age. Rental agreement. Baby, why don't you go? What's up, Brian? I'm doing great. That should be a new segment on the lives. What, me singing? Remember, you're absolutely amazing. What you do for everyone is incredible. Thank you, Kim. I want to get you retired, Kim. I swear to goodness. Well, retire with lots of money. Singing with Kev. Yeah. Hopefully I'm a better trader, though. How you doing, Brian? Larry Cooper. Thank you, God. What's up, Lair? What's up, everybody on TikTok? Larry Cooper, Ray, Joe Biga, Raymond, and Bayron Age. What's up, Bayron? Welcome to the live. It's scary now that we're understanding how your mind works. That's pretty funny. That's funny. Tuxie, what's up, little buddy? Yeah, you tell everybody your hard day is, and you don't even pay rent around here. Da, 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 da. Yeah, this is how my mind works. Thanks to the great Keith Palmer, you're seeing it firsthand. Told you buys. It's always a buy. Buy. Oh, it'll turn. They'll turn red. Don't you worry. And it's still a buy. All right. Say come on for. Well, just to document the trade, but I am going to go over how we did that. All right. We had. Hey there, great Kim. Not great. What's up, D Jones? What's up? Good afternoon, sir. We have, oh yeah, the trade tracker. Bitcoin. I just love all this. Look how great everything is. All right, I got a question for you guys. Not you, Tuxie. I had an email that said, I am a relatively new trader. Would it be a good idea for me to focus on gold and other metal utilizing your Chase Trade System gold system rather than a multitude of symbols and markets? What is your answer to that fella? Let me ask it again. Listen up. I need your answer and you want your input, peeps. I am a relatively new trader, says this emailer. Would it be a good idea for me to focus on gold and other metal utilizing your Safety Trade System gold system rather than a multitude of symbols and markets? It's a very interesting question. I thought it was a great question. What be your answer, peeps? What be your answers? I value your opinion, Larry. Oh, I value your opinion, all of you. I've been doing good too. Started a $250 account, got to $400. Been doing like 2 trades a day though, because I got a job and dealership and sales haven't been on the charts like I wanted to. Ordy says metal. Good afternoon, Grant. Let me ask the question again. I love this question. Can I post it? Let me see if I can post this question. How do we go, Montego, Ambigo? Why don't we go? Okay, there's your question. I'll wait. Thank you for your answer, Ordy. I'm going to wait for people on TikTok and YouTube to answer this question. And I think a few of you were here this morning when I cut off YouTube, so don't take it for granted. Da 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 da. How would you answer this person? Da, 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 da. By the way, gold is the easiest, safest symbol to trade. Kimberly Harrington taught me that. Congratulations, Brian Flores, in turning your account into $400. That's awesome. Sounds easy, but it's not. You're trading with tiny dollar amounts. It's actually very hard to do. Louis Ramos says, I'm not a financial. No shit, Sherlock. I know we're not. None of us are financial advisors. Blah, blah, blah.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
But what would you do? What would you tell this person? I would say no, says Nelson. Not a financial advisor. Yes, we're not financial advisors.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Yes, get good at one thing, then you can venture to other tickers. Gold was scary for me at first, but now one of the more consistent, easy. Yeah, it is. That's true, Kim. Very good answer. So we have one saying gold only. We have a few saying nope, do everything. Key Largo, Key go. Baby, why don't we go? Told you, by the way. Told you it was 3-minute buy stops. Told you that US 30 was still going up. Told you that NAS still going up. Told you that NK was going up. Told you SPX still going up. Told you ES was still going up. Told you. No other opinions on this? 30 of you, and there's about 40, 45 of you. I'm a relatively new trader. Would it be a good idea for me to focus on gold and other metal utilizing the state trade system, or rather a multitude of symbols and markets? It's a very good question. Henceforth, why I'm asking you guys about it. Do. Larry, no opinion? Come on, peeps. No opinion. Ray, no opinion. Joe Biga, Haroon, no opinion. Hey, Haroon, what's up? Ed Cruz, no opinion. Rainman, no opinion. Bayron Angel, 1736, no opinion. Come on. A cloud recording is worthwhile, and we're going to use that too. On your question, boss, I'd say yes, trade only one, master the safety trade on one symbol, and then all the other symbols would be a lot easier. That's a good answer. Is a great to start, but I would use the associated signals and size right under I learned the system. Start, I would use associated. So yeah, I would use the signals. You're right. Yeah, right. ES1, so they all run together. Look which one hasn't made it to the blue line. What time period? But yeah, you're correct. Blue line. Look what hasn't made it to the orange line in US 30 weekly. We've got like another 1,000 pips to go up on US 30. Same for NAS and SPX and all that too. They're all the same. That's what I've been doing this week. Nice, Nelson. That's all you do. Which one's lagging? Correct. So that's what he's saying. They all run together. Trade the one that hasn't gone up. Very good answers. Everybody's right. Gold is easy. Gold is simple. Quite frankly, though, the lagging trade is probably the right answer in my mind. But I'll think about it and pray about it. I'm glad that's been working for you, Nelson. Nelson, I hope you have the Uno reverse indicator. Just did a nice training on it. Add, what's today's date? The 10th? 6, 10. 2, 3, rest. All right. I'm not a financial advisor. Correct. Let's make sure
Demo trade
What's
only.
up, Blue
I am
Tide of
not
Course? What's
a
up,
financial
Jacob?
advisor.
It is pretty hard to come up with low capital only trade SPX and gold till I get up in the thousand and go into NAS. Well, yeah, I mean, yeah, we're guessing and informing them that they oh, you do? Good, Nelson. I hope you understand it. That you yeah. I wonder if people were seen in that. Fuck. I don't think they were. What was I saying? Yeah, that gold and thing. Yeah, you need some money to get up there, but it'll happen. I turned a $200 account into a $1,000 account in 4 days. Not that hard. Does take some money, but it's pretty easy. All right. So again, how was I able to take these trades that you saw this morning and then the other day and all that stuff? Do these trades right here. This at 60 now. It's at 90. But at any rate, trade was from this morning, US 30. The other trade was from 6-1. Oh, maybe it's a few more days. I thought. Any rate, but yeah, it started like 200. I don't even know 200, 250 in the account. I really don't care. But we're up to $1,000. It's simply like the trade that he's saying, to the lagging trade. So let me show you what I mean. Let me show you. Couldn't resist. Da 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 da. That's so funny. None of my words ever swipe out right. I'm terrible at swiping. Come on, baby. We know. All right, so let's go over it. Let's see what we shall see. All I'm basically doing, and this is where you guys have to understand, I'm holding the trades, getting in the trades strictly for one reason and one reason alone. You have US 30 here, right here. And this is what you guys have to start understanding. The buy stops are long term. They're always a buy until I tell you otherwise, meaning until the daily flips, but don't worry about that. You can see ES1, price action has hit its orange line. You can see SPX 500 has hit its orange line right there. You can see NAS and NQ1 are over their orange line. And we can see one is lagging, and this is US 30, this is price action, and it needs to go up to here. So it has to go up. As it goes up, all the other indices will go with it. So price action is approximately right here, and it needs to go to there. It's 974 pips. In reality, it's going to go up over here. It's going to go up over 2,000 pips. So you can take any buy, stop, hell, you can just hit the button on any of these indices, and they're all going up to this orange line on US 30. They're all going to go up a record high. I told you they would. You can see that clearly pop up, and they're already almost there. US 30's lagging. So are we all clear on the reason why I have the trade, why I took the trade, and why I'm holding the trade? Do 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 do. What's up, Stacy? Yeah, I think the sound is good, Ken. I don't know why you'd have radio silence. Sevens, if you guys understand that the reason why I took the trade, that's my stuff. US 30's lagging behind by 1,000 pips. They're all going to go up. Do 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 do. Sevens, if you understand that. Thank you for speaking up, Initiative Maker. I'm glad you can hear me. Clear, says Grant. Do 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 do. Montego, why don't we go? Na, 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 na. So I was doing some training earlier today and I said all that, and someone asked, "Hey, how long do you hold the trade for?" Well, I'm holding the trade until this goes up to the orange line. All of them, NAS, SPX, doesn't matter. I'm holding them till then. That's how long I'm holding. I wonder if I can lock in profit. Yeah, I can. All right, locked in profit. Now we're locked in on US 30. And that's it. I know people want to complicate it. I know you guys want to make things difficult, but that's all you do. When one of the symbol is lagging on any of these different buys, any of the buys, not the sells, take the trade. Especially when you have Tuxie. Oh, look. SPX is lagging. Let's go over to SPX and let's go down to the 1 second. And let's see what SPX is doing. It's going to be a sell to the 1 second. Yeah. I would never do a sell, but you can clearly see that this isn't red yet. So we'll wait and see if it turns red. I only look for buys. So it's obviously like, yeah, 10-second buy stop, 15-second buy stop. Yep. And you can clearly see how everything's working out. There you go. So once all these turn red, it will trigger in our Uno reverse, and we'll be waiting for that. But that's it. Does anybody have any questions, concerns, or comments on any of the trades, on the system, on the Uno reverse? Does anybody have any concerns or comments at all? I think we're going to use this as a training session. Let me see Zoom real quick because it was so nice. Nope. Where is Zoom? Is that? Nope. Where is my Zoom gone? Where is it at? Da-da-do. Where the fuck is Zoom? Oh, way over here. Shit. Zoom. Let's see. Notes, Discord, workflows, meetings. Where is my attachment, personal room attachments, previous? No. Events in session profile. No. Recordings. That's what I need. Now, how do I get this recording out of here? We need to. How do you download a Zoom? Isn't it a bitch because they have like different things? I don't want each download to download separately. All right, let's see. Do. I don't care about the chat. Well, I don't know which one's which. Zoom is so weird. Hold your horses. Oh, shit. No, it's not about this thing. Let's see. Aha. Ratio.
Yes.
Oh, Shit. We don't reverse when you get click it once, you install it. My sound sucks. Select is for your table position, normal. Yeah, I'm sorry, we're gonna have to use this one. All right, so what is this and where was it? How do I upload this? Do 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 do. Come on, baby, we know. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Come on, baby, we know. All right, let me get rid of this. Tuxie. Tuxie. How don't we know? Haroon. All right, I think we're there. Let me go back over to here. Nope, don't want to touch that. Let's go over to here. Let's go over to create. Let's upload video. Select, I don't know if you're gonna let me select this. There we go. We have a new Uno reverse and advanced training rewatch. Learn on today's date. We'll say the 10th. And then the safety. All right. Does anybody have any symbols they want me to check for you guys? Thumbnail. No losses. Huge gold. Oh boy. All right. Almost there, guys. Oh yeah, we're good. All right. If you guys have any questions, any symbols you want me to train, please just let me know. Nope, we're good. All right. Let's go back to you guys. You have a great training video coming up. What's up, Ed C? Stacy Ocho, Brian, Kim. All right. Let's see. Just documenting that trade, why I took it. We're good on that. This will keep flipping for us. We'll keep going over. All right. Let's see. Do we have anything over there? Nope, nothing on TikTok. YouTubers. Any questions at all? Please ask any questions at all. I'm going to go ahead and roll then if there's no questions. I'll be on, not today. I'm sure to be tomorrow morning, Lord willing. All right. God bless you all on TikTok. See ya. Nice. YouTubers, Facebook, Xers, Twitchers. God bless you all. I'm going to go ahead and roll. You guys have a great rest of your day.